Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Confirm your monitor supports HDR or at least 10-bit color and wide color gamut. Check the panel documentation for native resolution, color depth, and peak brightness values. Use display port 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0 cable for HDR signaling at native refresh rates. Inspect the cable ends for certified markings and quality. Ensure your GPU supports 10-bit output and enable it in the driver control panel. Verify your GPU model and driver version against manufacturer HDR capability lists. Power cycle the monitor after each hardware change to register the link. Update GPU drivers to the latest stable version before enabling HDR. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then Display, and turn on Use HDR. Set Play HDR games and apps to on and adjust the HDR brightness slider. In your GPU control panel, set the color depth to 10-bit if available. Choose RGB Full or YCbCr4 output to avoid chroma subsampling artifacts. Disable night light and any software color overlays while testing HDR content. Restart the PC to ensure all settings apply correctly and consistently. Use MAD VR or HDR emulator tools to create a 10-bit pipeline and tone mapping. Configure MAD VR renderer settings to enable dither, 10-bit output, and HDR to SDR options for proper mapping. Alternatively, test reshade or custom LUT workflows to simulate extended dynamic range. Calibrate with a colorimeter and create an ICC profile for accurate color reproduction across SDR and emulated HDR content. Expect limitations. Emulation may not reach true HDR peak brightness or full gamut. Balance contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.